Now let us consider slicing in a list. Slicing is basically accessing only a range of elements in the list. So now this can be done in various ways. So if I want to start from beginning till a particular index, I will say colon index. If I want to print the elements from the last, then I will use colon minus index. So it will print uh, from that index till the start. If I want to print elements from a specific index till the end, I will use index colon. So 6 colon will start from 6 index till the end of the list. If I want to print elements within a range, I will use start index colon end index. But please note here end index does not get printed. So actually what gets printed is start index till end index minus 1. To print the whole list, I use colon within square brackets, and to print the whole list in reverse order, I say colon colon minus 1. So this is the zeroth element, one element, two, three, four, and this is finally the 12th element. And this is minus 1, minus 2, and so on till this is minus 13th element. So to refer from this end to this end, I use negative indexing. Okay, now let us consider examples using slicing. So now here I have a list which has the characters good morning. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if I say sliced list is equal to list of 3 colon 8. So from this list 3 colon 8, that is 3 as in 0, 1, 2, 3. D, M will be 4, O will be 5, R will be 6, and N will be 7. So this much gets added to another list called sliced list. And so when I print the sliced list, I will get DMORN. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I say 5 colon, so 5 colon means 5 till the end of the list. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 starts from O onwards. So ORNING. This is what it is printed. If I say just colon, entire list gets printed. Then if I say colon minus 6 means this will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So minus 6 is this till the beginning. Please remember in the negative indexing, it is till the beginning, not till the end. So O, it gets printed GOODMO. Now, if I say minus 6 to minus 1, so minus 6 refers to O. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So minus 6 refers to O. So here it will be printed from minus 6 to minus 1. And here again, this first element will not get printed, so it will be from minus 5 onwards. Minus 5 onwards till minus 1. So please remember, in the range there is always an element which is not printed. Then if I say colon colon minus 1, it prints the complete list in reverse. So these are all the functions that are with list: append, adding one element at the end; extend, adding many elements at the end; insert, adding an element at a particular index; remove, removing a specified item from the list; pop, I have to specify the index which has to be where the item has to be removed; clear will remove all the items from the list; index will return the index of the first matched item. So if I want to search for hello, the index of hello I will get to know. Count will give me the count of number of items in the list. Sort will list the items in the arranging in the ascending order. Reverse will print the list in the it will reverse the order of items in the list. And copy will return a shallow copy of the list. Thank you.